Hi, hello, Om Sai Ram. Welcome to Sai Nakshatra collections. So this today beautiful pearls collections there. So this is a Australian Swarovski pearls with beautiful Nakshi balls used madidini. This is around 26 inches, 3 lines with beautiful making. If anyone are interested, please book your order. So this is a silver one with real emeralds with Australian Swarovski pearls. 18 inches long ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Silver making ಕೂಡ available ಇದೆ. If anyone are interested in silver, please do contact me for silver customization. You can do customize this with a green or as well as in red, that is ruby and as well as in emeralds. So these are readily available. You can do customize in silver. Another customization both in 1 gram and as well as in silver available ಇದೆ. So this is a Chetan Ruby customization order with Brahmo Mudi 2 lines 820 inches long ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So these are readily available with me. All the price details ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. If you want any of the designs, you can do ping this to my number displayed on the screen. Thank you so much. Bye. We will see you in the next video.